Are you ready to take your savings to the next level? Join me for the Ultimate Savings Challenge and transform your financial future. Introduction. Welcome back to Stealthy Finance Tips. Today, I'm introducing the Ultimate Savings Challenge, a powerful way to boost your financial goals and develop better money habits. Challenge. We all struggle with saving money. Whether it's unexpected expenses or simply not having a solid plan, saving can be tough. That's why having a structured savings challenge is crucial for financial success. Exploration. Let's explore some strategies to save money effectively. Budgeting techniques. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Cutting expenses. Identify non-essential expenses you can reduce or eliminate. Increasing income. Look for side hustles or ways to boost your earnings. Key moment. Now, for the Ultimate Saving Challenge, set a specific goal, like saving $1,000 in 3 months. Break it down into weekly targets, track your progress, and stay committed. Summary. Taking on this savings challenge will teach you discipline and help you achieve financial stability. The long-term rewards are immense, from having an emergency fund to being able to invest for your future. Share your own saving tips in the comments and challenge yourself to start this saving journey. Don't forget to watch more of my videos for additional tips and motivation.